Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our Set 3 Speed Sound Lesson for today. So we are going to have a look at a brand new sound today, and our sound is cious. 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 Brilliant. So if we have a look at our rhyme that makes up our cious sound, we can see there is a dog here and he has got a bone in front of him and he is looking at that bone, and I think that he really wants to eat it because he is saying scrumptious, delicious. Scrumptious, delicious. Scrumptious, delicious. Brilliant. Right, let's have a look at our special friends then that make up our sound. Oh my goodness me, look, we've got 5 letters, one sound. T-I-O-U-S, cious, but also C-I-O-U-S, cious. So if you see either of these two lots of special friends in our words, they make the sound cious, cious, cious. Good, and this side was scrumptious, delicious. Good, right, shall we see if I can catch you out then? Are you ready? Ready? Did I catch you out this morning? Right, I'm going to pop our cious sound into our pack of sounds we should already know. When you see it, I want you to point at the screen and shout cious. Are you ready? First sound for this morning is cious. Did you spot it? Right, one more time. It's going into our pack of sounds. Are you ready? First sound is cious. Fantastic. Right, one more time. In it goes into our pack of sounds. Ready? First sound is cious. Fantastic. We found it. Good. Right, I'm going to put our cards down now. We're going to have a look at some of our green words with our cious sounds in. Right. I'm going to just tell you before we start, we've got one word which has our T-I-O-U-S in it. Can you see? Cious, scrumptious. The other ones have all got our C-I-O-U-S. So, are we ready? Special friends, Fred Talk, read the word. My turn first. Special friends, cious. Fred Talk, v-i-cious. Read the word, vicious. Your turn, ready? Special friends, Fred Talk. Read the word, scrumptious. Well done. Special friends, Fred Talk. Read the word, delicious. Special friends, Fred Talk. Read the word, suspicious. Special friends, Fred Talk. Read the word, ferocious, this one. Special friends, Fred Talk. Read the word. Precious. Well done. Right, this time, Fred in our head. My turn first. You ready? Fred in my head. Vicious. Your turn. Remember, don't read the word till I push the card forward. Off we go. Scrumptious. Well done. Fred in your head. Delicious. Fantastic. Special friends. Fred talk. Suspicious. Fred in your head. Ferocious. Fred in your head. Precious. Well done. Right, can we do speedy reading of these green words then? Are you ready? First one, vicious. Your turn. Do it one more time because these are tricky words. Ready? Well done. Right, I'm going to put a couple of our words in from Monday, to see if you can remember what these words say and what our special friend sound was from Monday. Okay, are you ready? First word is home. Rope. Phone. Well done. Excellent reading of your green words. Okay, we haven't got any aliens for our shush sound, so that's quite nice. So we can move straight on to our spelling. So can you grab for me whatever it is that you use to do your spelling, your whiteboard, or maybe it's scrap paper and pencil? And then when you're ready, you can hide your Fred fingers from me. Good. Right. What shall we start with? How many sounds are in the word precious? How many in precious? Show me how many. 4. Right, let's pinch the sounds together and write them down. 1, 2, 3. P, shus. P, shus. Remember, you can pause the video if you need a bit longer to write it. Right, you ready? So first sound was precious, P, which is a P, E, and then shus. 5 letters, 1 sound. CIOUS. Shus. Fantastic. Tick for P, tick for R, tick for E, and a tick for shus. If it doesn't look quite like mine, fix it so that it does. Off you go. Well done. Right, next one. Hide your Fred fingers from me. Which one should we do next? Oh, let's do that one. How many sounds are in the word delicious? Oh, how many? Show me how many. You should be holding up 5 Fred fingers. Okay, let's pinch the sounds together and write them down. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. D, A, L, I, shus. D, A, L, I, shus. Write it down. Right, should we have a go at spelling delicious? So, delicious, first sound D, D, E, E, all, L, I, and then cious, 5 letters, 1 sound, C, I, O, U, S, cious. Brilliant. Tick for D, tick for E, tick for L, tick for I, and a tick for cious. Wow, what a long word. Well done if you got delicious right. If you need to tweak it a bit so it looks like mine, then you can. And don't worry if you didn't get them 100% right, because don't forget we get to practice them again tomorrow. Super, right, time for our 2 review words now. So sound from yesterday. So hide your Fred fingers from me, please. How many sounds are in the word home? Home. Show me how many? 3. Right, let's pinch the sounds together for home and write it down. 1, 2, 3. O, O, Right, shall we see if we can write home down now? Are you ready? So home, we've got which is a H, O, which is an M, but at the moment that says home. Uh-oh. So we need to find our special friend for our O to make it an O sound. Where's the special friend? He's on the end and he's an E. So it's a split diagraph. So tick for H, tick for your O sound, and then tick for M. Well done if you got home right. Fantastic. If you didn't, just tweak it so that it looks like mine now. Okay, last word of the day. How many sounds, oh sorry, hide your Fred fingers from me. How many sounds are in the word phone? Phone, how many? Show me. 3. Right, let's pinch the sounds together and write it down. 1, 2, 3. O, O, Give you a clue. 2 special friends in the word phone. Right, should we have a go at writing phone? So, phone, first sound is F, but it's not the letter F, it's a special friend. P and a H together, 2 letters, 1 sound. Did you get that? Well done if you did. And then our O sound, it's a O, then our N, but this O at the moment that says fun. So we need to find his special friend to turn him from an O into an O. Where's his special friend? On the end, it's an E. So tick for your F special friend, tick for your O special friend, and a tick for your N. Well done if you got all 4 of those. That's fantastic because they are tricky spellings, especially precious, delicious, and phone. Very tricky. Well done. Right, you can now go onto the Oxford Owl website and find yourself a lovely book to read. And I will see you all tomorrow for a little bit more speed sounds. Bye.